Alright, so you guys might have caught the last video where I got whisked off to this adventure in like such a mysterious way. But if you caught the last video, I did leave it by asking if you knew what they mean by just having too much fun. Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? And to be quite honest, I do not know the answer. Life is not always full of adventures and fun and swimming and diving. You get the idea. But when I do have these moments, I'm going to milk it. Musa moo. Milk it, milk it, milk it. Anyway, let's get back onto this adventure and you'll see why I may never do a trip like this again. So excited, guys. Today was a freaking epic day. We just freaking lived, man. Caught some crayfish or whatever. I don't know what tonight is gonna hold or what exactly we're gonna do, but our campsite is just epic. By the river, you know, you're hearing all those water flow sounds. Whatever the case is, I kind of feel cold now because my shirt is a little bit wet and ting, boys are vibes. And my friend down here, so I might just start calling her Rice. Because she really loves rice. Alright. So, water cool?
You're fret.
Jano. Oh, what's that? The glow stick?
Yeah.
Mad. So, yeah, it's gonna be a whole vibe. I'm gonna take a shower somewhere off there tonight. And the van is there, so we're gonna have lights, camera action to like see stuff. Yo, freaking epic, yo. And so we have Pablo over here, so deal up with some chicken quick and fast. Yeah, seize up a chicken. Yeah, I don't know how else to put it, yo. It's just amazing. I just love link ups like these. Yeah, I know you guys have been like dropping the comments all the time. Maybe you didn't catch any of Rajid and I's like first way back link up doing the crab catch or whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna put the link somewhere there so you can get caught up with that. But if you guys want to see more link ups like these, yo, drop it in the comments, get this video to like 1,000 likes and we'll try to make it happen. Collaborations are something that I love doing, but yo, like we have so many ideas, but like stuff. Yo, what did you have for the last time? The scuba diving thing, we had that. We had to go on the island and long story short, but anyway, I'm gonna see what happens for the rest of the night and I'll definitely keep you guys posted on that. Eh.
You see that in our bag, you are better, you know.
So for season blend this? You're a season blend. Trying some life on the season blend style. We can't see your face. What? What you have in that season? Hold on, let me try to judge. It kind of reddish, like something kind of ketchup or tomato base in there, tomato, yeah.
Taste it on me, you know.
Taste some of that now.
The flavor them are popular now, what you taste?
It's almost citrusy.
You are left it at the pan, yeah? So you discover it.
How why not this, sir?
What you taste? You taste
It tastes like vinegar.
Yeah.
Vinegar in it for sure. Pepper, escallion, garlic, thyme, black pepper, pimento.
What?
Eat that?
Oh, it's a piece. That's all when I come with.
I can't guess not this.
Tastes like easy spice.
Easy spice in it?
Yeah. I put easy spice in it. This can hold in igloo? I would have a ton side. How will you cover it?
Couldn't see back then. Can I find a back then?
No. Look out.
Well, me interested to try this tomorrow. Marinate up and thing. Vibes.
Crayfish. You see them? No.
More crayfish there.
Go for your bag.
Yo, y'all follow outside?
Yeah.
Why you talking about crayfish?
Man, show them this down here catch.
Come on, go and just get it from me.
That's it.
Yeah, man, enough crayfish.
So I was on the verge to go all a fresh, but
Crayfish!
so I go for my mask and go support the system catching crayfish. It's gonna be a vibe. Bag are full of which one said them in an igloo?
Yeah.
Man.
No, so I'm figure out
Yeah? What is good? Look there. Now make a jump, man. Get two. Oh, you bug. Yo, right now, the water cool up, me need a cool.
Yo, do I catch them like, whoa.
Hey, the motor was jam already. That's it.
It's a vibe. So excited! Yo, I want you for the video. Yeah. That was an epic call, man. Yeah.
Vanilla. Come. Come. Come.
Alright guys, so Vanilla is inside and she's down for the count basically. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys just a quick tour of my little apartment here. Yeah, it's a new tent that I got because the other one was stolen. So got a new tent. Basically the same thing but smaller, and I prefer the smaller one because it's more inconspicuous. You know, you can go camping and not really worry about, you know, people seeing what you're doing too easily. But anyway, same design concept, which is, you know, the canopy area here. The tent isn't fully anchored down because these, you know, these rocks, it's very hard to really anchor anything in these rocks, but there won't be any high wind. Normally I put stuff like stuff that I don't really care much about, like, you know, the cooking pots and stuff can go out there. They'll be sheltered from rain and stuff like that. And then of course, you know, the basics of any tent is inside. It's very basic. I just threw my so I normally put like camping gear on one side. So anything that's camping gear related is there. My camera bag, some clothes are in there, and that's that. Over here I got some a bit of cosmetic stuff. Yeah, don't think that because we're outside camping, like, we don't, you know, have deodorant and stuff. So deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, body wash, insect bug repellent lotion. I don't know, for me personally, I like still smelling good or whatever. I don't know if you can hear over there everybody else, they either got Netflix on or they're playing games on their phone. And I got some snacks, some donut, sausage, and a drink, and I'm gonna hop into Netflix. But anyway, I'm going to call it a night. Yeah, tomorrow is where we're gonna be doing the cook up and everything like that. I think on the menu tomorrow we'll be doing some jerk chicken and some crayfish tomorrow. So that's gonna be a vibe. Anyway, I'm gonna call it a night, and I'll catch you guys in the morning. Alexa, turn off bedroom light. Vanilla, slept good? Mm-hmm. Get up, girl. Get up, girl. Alright. So it rained last night, if you guys can see the water droplets outside. And the tent held up pretty good. I don't know, I see a little bit of water somewhere here. But I guess it's because I left this part open. So the rain part for this part I left it open because you wanted, you know, that nice ventilation, keeping her cool. But yeah, good night, man. It's a good night. She always looks forward to getting head rubs and stuff like that in the morning. Go.
Neighbors, neighbors, neighbors. What are that? Oh my god. Oh, yeah, I know. Oh, yes, brother. Hey, Vanilla, wake up and jump and people in bed. That's- Yeah, still, I go on. So guys, you know what's on the menu this morning? There's gonna be some crayfish. You see me? And Raj is going to be with some of this jerk chicken.
Nice. I'm ready. I'm trying to keep it, no?
Yo, Pablo, show them the smoke. Yo, dope.
Yeah, for there, yeah, man. We have to put it lower. Maybe tell him a pretty boy. Yeah, try to get wet.
Hey, sorry, I've never expected to catch so much crayfish last night.
What that mean, I say?
I'll be able to say, I'll be able to.
Man, so yo, I'm going for a night swim. Our vibes, that's it. Yo. Yo, a couple of them they pinch me yesterday, pinch hard, you know. Whoa. Yo.
Headless.
Vanilla. Pan vanilla people them hammock. Alright guys, so right now we go start with some seasoning cutting up. Alright, so we have some seasoning that we're going to be using for the pepper shrimp or janga, again, whatever you call it. So we have some Scotch bonnet peppers. Generally I probably use like maybe about 3, but you see me, some people want 5. But it might make sense because you want to see them in there too? My gosh. Anyway, so I'm gonna prepare the pepper them real quick. And there's just something about cooking exactly beside the river. I don't know. It's not even the sound they're really talking about. It's just that there's just water for cleansing, whether you want to cleanse the food them or whatever. It's just a vibe. So here we are. Now I got a piece of spirits with 3 of the pepper them. But 2 of them I take out the seed them cause why something about this don't feel right. So 3 of the peppers will have the seeds in, 2 won't. And you really have to know your peppers too because some peppers really hot and some really weak. And like they say, you can't subtract pepper but you can add. Alright, so peppers them nice and fine. If you guys ever make peppered shrimp and you have your different ways of doing it, just drop in the comments. Make me know if you know vibes and how your grandmother do it or how you do it. You know? Because we all have our own little different ways. Right now I cut up some escallion. Already washed and cleaned. Celia, You see you do yours, you just use just a jerk seasoning and some pepper. And you're good. So you see you have different ways. You can just use jerk seasoning and some pepper and you're done. Easy does it. That's how you do it at bush and it's to make a quick thing down. Or even at home. I don't know my vibes already, guys. I like the little complex flavors them. Applied very simply. So for this you can what I go use some garlic powder as well and onion powder. Use those because powders are a lot finer and the flavors disperse a lot more readily. But you can never beat the natural herbs. They take a while to diffuse, but they are way better. Again, I don't like cooking the recipes, so you see, even this stock, you could use it, but I just don't feel like I want to overpower with that. See that? Time crush up like when them crush up that thing there. So what we're making is kind of like a little marinade. So like Jamaican green parrot. I know because my first house used to have them coming to the apple tree and the cashew tree, star apple. And man, they would tear that tree up. Alright, so garlic finely chopped. I don't know, when I cook food, I like to rush it. I like to move with a little bit of speed, but it's all in the details. So we're separating the garlic different from the other spices because that we go actually cook up in some butter. Alright, so I have a shrimp them. Guys, we caught these last night. Drain off any excess water because we don't want. The water to be killing the flavor, you know. So anyway, so throw a little bit of oil. Yo, this a bucket no matter. Oh, me slightly but close a buckle and the buckle say, yo, me I got lock up tight. Virgin buckle. But, no, sir. Bro. Brother, back and move like it brand new. So just add a little bit of oil. So you know so oil make it slippery. You understand? That go help with the movement. Everything you do to taste. So if you don't want salt, that is your problem. Don't add salt. But you know, adding a bit of salt, mate. So salt, black pepper, with some onion powder. And of course this one for going like it's a tight as well. A bit of garlic powder. And in short really, supposed to have like a gloves for your hand and thing cause this can burn you. But I will just do it in separate things because I won't be able to mix it around properly. So this is our marinade. We're going to use butter. So you have to kind of watch how much salt because butter is going to be in it. But if you use unsalted butter, you should be fine. What I'm using, I think, is a margarine today, which of course is salted. Look at that. Alright. Oh, cheese. I know, hey, Michelle, big up yourself because I know say you are watching this enough. From you see shrimp or lobsters or crabs, you are extra tuned in. This one is for you because big up to all of the seafood fans like that. Yeah. Oh gosh, this is like the epitome of freshness, yeah? Yes. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Well seasoned up. Didn't miss a step. Just out there say nature. Couldn't ask for more.
just go and soak.
What is the secret to your jerk chicken? Yeah. Will it be a secret if you tell me, no?
Yeah,
You know you're going around that joke then. Alright.
Keep them moist, you know?
I'm going to go check on vanilla. Them a life for you live, you know. Them a life for you live. Me not see you. I haven't seen you. Up in a hammock. Boom blocks and everybody. Oh, them people you like people who have things. iPhone in a hand. Hammock and comforter and views. Look at this view, yo. So part of me or something, you know, my favorite part of chicken is, you know, just off the side.
That is good. Yes, I look a piece.
Yo, nothing nicer than this out just in the river. And food. Let's stop, bro. Right somewhere over there, so I don't know if you can see. Alright, there's some. I try to do some hunting really quick, but crayfish them out this side come out most of the night.
What, the flashlight? Paulo, look in that trunk, you see flashlight. Show it to me now.
Shit.
Let me test it.
Yeah. Yeah, try to see pinch power.
Yep. Yeah.
Nice. So using about 3 tablespoons of butter. For those who like measurements, but you know that already. Minced garlic. Want all of the flavors them from the garlic going to the butter. We don't want the garlic to burn. Just because I had a little leftover cayenne seasoning from the fish tacos I did, sprinkle a little bit. So it's cayenne, a little bit black pepper, a little bit of cumin. Just putting a little bit just for a little difference, you know. And because I saw it in the thing, so why not just use it. Yo, now the metal pan something? Someone use like a metal pit. Yeah, shine pan, yeah. Use it and cover down this, you know. What's right there? Oh, meat in there? Okay. Alright, just get some fresh crayfish, so. So what you really want is like a slow simmer. What do you see that?
It tastes good.
Surprisingly, I just said before.
Tastes really good.
It's really good. That vibe. Guys, most times me I cook me even taste it, and I taste it, so I was a little bit nervous. The whole one. But that little one hurt us, so. Alright, Raj, shot I go. Try it too. The 5 pepper work still, you know. 5 pepper work.
You know that hot. Should have hotter.
You want it hotter?
Spicy.
Spicy? Celia, like if I in there, you know, so.
How cool the man there?
School man can't eat now.
Oh,
You can't allergy.
well, garlic tastes good for it, bro.
Garlic.
Yeah?
There is a wicked, you know.
Like a lobster, bro.
Eh?
You come like a lobster.
Look at the lobster, don't
Somebody get one seat. I like a stool for put the pot on.
Why, I'm not gonna lie, guys.
Mini lobster.
No, so it's like a mini lobster. Oh, Indian man cut it up. Watch that.
That's it.
It's like a mini lobster for real. I love it, man. Look at this, guys. Alright, if I'm Cecilia eat more than 2, how much I got, boy?
We'll get some more crayfish and do some more, brother.
I know, sir, because they say the women are, you know, some of the best cooks in the world. And from she not complain, my work here is done. I think the most crayfish we ever catch and if we eat, you feel so?
Yeah.
It's a portion in there.
But no.
But other guests them can't eat because they're allergic. Thank God.
One horse. Praise the Lord.
Like the small one, them cry small one, them tender.
Like pepper. Yes, how much pepper is 4?
Me use 5 and 3 of them with seed.
Oh. You want the pepper, right? I just love the garlic, dog.
You gotta eat a vibe.
Yeah.
But come back up, man.
And that's why garlic butter tastes so good.
Yes, now some my butter left back there, so butter is full of flavor, you know. Ooh, like that. Vibes. Oh, look and see if this
No slim there.
see if it
Extra onion.
No extra one in there. You right?
I will let him cook it now, sir.
Yeah.
I will let him cook.
Yeah, see if I can help them there. Yeah, tell them that you know like this.
You want to try steam by me? You know you by me? No, that is sir. Wow. But hot. Mm-hmm. We all cut up.
Yeah.
Mm. You steam fast, though, I'm not lying. And steam fast. Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry, though.
No more pot around me.
So, I don't know. Drop some of that. Steam bummy, shrimp, some ice sauce. That was a vibe. Jamaica is nice. Shensia out here. No fear. Alright, so now the vibes right now, we go for a quick little swim and do things.
I don't want the near front to fall. Go on there.
I think I got started too. You want to look? Record, drag. Vanilla. Gotta get a beer. Eat a beer. Hey. Hey, everybody just love vanilla, aka Bella, and champagne. Vibes. You know, long match. That's your friend, the curtain. The curtain is no boy. No boy.
I'm never doing that again.